welcome to Easy Toddler Hairstyle. Today, I'm going to elastic style. No braiding required. Keep watching. My mom will show you how to do it. Let's get started.
We're going to start by parting out the sections and ponytails. I will come back about 2 to 3 inches and make 3 ponytails right up front. So I'm starting with the middle section and going from there. You'll see me bring the hair to the side to get that back part how I want it. And then I'm going to secure the middle section off for just a second while I part off the right and left sections. I'm using the back part of the middle part to make a guide for the side sections, and I'm just going to bring it all the way down to her ear. I'll secure with an elastic, and then we will go to the other side. Product is really important with this hairstyle, especially when we start doing the back part. So make sure that you have a spray bottle handy. I also recommend our favorite spray gel, which I will link in the description or comments below. So after I've used some gel and combed it out, then we are going to add another elastic. I'm coming back to the middle section. I'm alternating colors also for a fun pop. Once you've got those 3 ponytails parted out, we're going to take the rest of the hair and create 2 low pigtails. I simply look and see what about the center part of her head is and then come down from there. I'll then take that the nape of her neck, that where it kind of comes in, and come up from there to make sure that the part is centered. So again, I'm using spray gel and water, and I'm combing it through the hair, and then I will add the ponytail in. You want these 2 pigtails pretty smooth. From here, I'm taking the middle ponytail and splitting it in half, and then we are going to add 4 elastics evenly down each side. Mine are spaced out about 1 inch from each elastic, but that will vary depending on how old your child is. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and after 4 elastics, I'm going to connect it to the bottom ponytail, leaving a little bit of space between that 4th elastic and the bottom ponytail. I'm going to repeat this step on the other side, making sure that my elastics on the right side are even with the ones on the left. So you'll see the 2 pink ones are even. I'm just kind of eyeing it. The 2 purple ones are even. This part is also really important to make sure that you are getting the right look for the style. Now I have sprayed these pieces down with spray gel so that they're smooth as I'm bringing them down. And you'll see me throughout the style spraying gel or water through the pieces to get a very pieced and clean look. I'm just going to add this part to the bottom ponytail, and then we're going to be working with our side ponytails. So I'm going to split this into 4 sections. The easiest way to do that is to split it in half and then split those in half again, and then your sections will be even. I'm going to take my Topsy Tail tool and take 1 section, spraying it down with gel, and then between the 2nd and 3rd elastic, I'm simply going to thread this hair through and then bring it down to the adjacent elastic. Now I'm using gel to make sure there's no flyaways and smoothing the pieces after I pull them through so that they're placed where I want. We're going to repeat this step on the left side. I'm going to put my Topsy Tail through between the 2nd and 3rd elastic, and then take this piece, pull it through, and attach it to the ponytail to the right. We're just going to repeat this. I'm going to come down between the 3rd and 4th elastic this time. My first elastic really is the elastic up at the very top. I'm going to pull it through, again use product, I'm going to spray it down and smooth it. If you don't do this step of spraying it down with product like spray gel or hairspray or something, you're going to get a ton of flyaways, and it's just not going to give you the same effect. Now I know I'm going to get this question why I didn't go between the 1st and 2nd elastic up top. I wanted the style to start even with the ponytails on the sides, but you could start by threading the pieces up through the 1st and 2nd elastic at the top. I just chose not to. So again, we're coming down between the next two elastics, spraying it down with gel, looping the hair through and pulling it. Now I am going a little bit faster as I come down because it gets repetitive in the style. If you need a little guidance on how to do it, I would suggest going back to the first pieces that I pull through and kind of watching that and stopping the video as you go to get a feel for it. Once I've got all of those done, I'm going to take my clip out and just kind of readjust the pieces where I want them, and then simply attach all those pieces to the left elastic. I'm also going to finish up the other side. We're going in between the fourth and fifth elastic, bringing it over to the right-sided ponytail, and then adding it to the right elastic. That is it. Here is one more look at our finished style. We hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.